Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing today? You are welcome. All right, today's topic is on infertility. Infertility is not only found in women, it is also found in men. But today we are going to be talking about infertility in women. Okay? Yes. Now, what is infertility? Let's talk about what infertility is before we move to the causes of infertility and what you can use to treat yourself in order to become fertile. Now, infertility can be defined as when a woman has been trying for a period of 1 or more than 1 year, for a period of 1 year or more without successfully becoming pregnant. When a woman is having unprotected sex for 1 year or more than 1 year without getting pregnant, it is said that the woman is infertile. But I want you to understand that being infertile is not a permanent name for you, because God has given us a lot of herbs to help ourselves with. All right, yes. There is a solution for every problem except death. So today we are going to be looking at the causes of this infertility. If a woman has been having unprotected sex for more than 1 year without successfully getting pregnant, then the woman is said to be infertile. Now, what are the causes of infertility? We have numerous causes of infertility. But today, I will be talking about some of the causes of infertility because time won't permit us to be so elaborate. Now, infertility can be caused as a result of untreated prolonged infection. Untreated prolonged infection can cause infertility in women. Irregular menstrual cycle can cause infertility in women. Hormonal imbalance can cause infertility in women. Problems that has to do with the womb, with the womb, that is the uterus, can cause infertility in women. Yes. Some of the abused contraceptives can make a woman to become infertile. If your womb has been tampered with, maybe as a result of D&C, or maybe as a result of taking some contraceptives that is not recommended by the medical doctors, these can cause you infertility. Therefore, having looked at the causes of infertility, let's now look at how we can work things around so that we can fix infertility in women using our almighty herbs. Now, medically, you can get help when you are infertile. Let me tell you something that no one is talking about. It is not only women that are concerned when we are talking about infertility. The male counterparts cannot be left behind because they have a great role to play for a woman to become pregnant. Why did I say this? And how does the men come in when the women are infertile? Some men have infections that has been in their system for a long period of time, untreated. Therefore, when a woman is taking the herbs, the men should not be left out. They should also join to be taking this herbs so that they can treat it together. Now, some men have low sperm count their sperms are low, it can lead to infertility in women. It is also what causes infertility in men. How can a woman conceive when the sperm is low? Therefore, the man is supposed to take the herbs that can boost up his fertility so that he will become potent and not impotent. Because low sperm count can lead to impotency in men, and that is directly going to affect his wife or the women. Okay, having talked about this, let me introduce to you the things you can gather within your house. This is a locally sourced materials. You can just use it, prepare it by yourself, and take it as a woman. But when you are taking it, prepare the one that your man can take. Yours is different from the one your man can take. Let's go. In my hand, I have, this is Idan fruit. Idan fruit is also called prekise. This is your ginger. This is your ginger. We use it as a spice. This Idan fruit is also a spice. This is Uda. This is Uda. We use it to prepare hot water yam when a woman just delivered, to flush out the bad blood in the woman's system. Because if it is not flushed out, it can make the woman not to conceive again. And also, it can make the woman's tummy to be protruded. Okay? So, my tribe, once the mother is coming for a child's visit, she comes alongside with this. This is turmeric. It is also your stew spice, and it is very powerful. This is garlic. This is garlic. Okay? Yes. So it is not left out when preparing this. This is clove. This is clove. Clove is for zobo. Is a zobo spice. That is hibiscus flower spice. When you are preparing your zobo drink, this is not to be eschewed. This is fertility leaf. It is the main ingredient for this. You cannot eschew this. But when you are preparing the one you're going to give to your man, please remove this, because your man is not getting pregnant. You know what I mean? So this is your fertility leaf. This fertility leaf is of two types: the female and the male fertility leaf. So what do? The male fertility leaf do not bear fruit, while the female fertility leaf bears fruit. This is a powerful leaf. The Igbos call it ogirishi or ogilisi. In some part of Igbo, it is called ogirishi. That's what my people call it, ogirishi leaf. But in some part of Anambra, they call it ogilisi. The Yorubas call it ewe akoko. Ewe akoko. It is a very powerful leaf. What do? All items will be picked. Seven pieces of it. Seven pieces of it. You wash all of them thoroughly. After washing it, you get your pot, 10 cups of water. Put it inside it, pour it inside the pot, and set it on fire. Allow it to boil for some time. If you notice that it has changed color, and you're perceiving it like everything is already done, bring it down. Filter it and remove the chaff. Then put it inside a gallon. As a woman, this is your fertility water. What do? On the third day before you start seeing your period, you start drinking it. Okay? You start drinking it. 1 glass every morning. 1 glass of this juice every morning. When you are drinking it, you might notice some kind of changes in your body system. Do not be afraid. It is flushing away some kind of bad things in your system. It's going to purge out all the bad things in your system while it treats you. You will understand that there is power in herbs. Okay? Now, when you want to prepare this juice, remove for your husband, remove the fertility leaf and make use of all other items for him. Treat yourself and get pregnant. If you aren't like others, it makes you very teary. You're not going to be happy. So I want you to be happy. I want you to carry your own children. All right? Yes. You will take this juice for 14 days. Straight up. 14 days. 3 days before your period for 14 days. All right? After that, you have sex during your ovulation and see the wonders of nature. Okay? Thank you all. God bless you and do have a wonderful day. Bye.